Every innovation we make is to bridge the distance between us. Every imagination carries us to the world of technology and wisdom. HYC connects the world with fiber optics. Founded in 2000, HYC has been engaged in the R&D and manufacture of passive optical devices for over 2 decades. With outstanding innovative R&D and management teams from all over the world, HYC is committed to providing the most advanced passive optical components and connectivity solutions. As a technologically leading and innovation-driven company, HYC deploys large-scale production and lean production processes to achieve efficient and high-yield output. To ensure the best quality and reliability with Class 100,000 clean workshops and laboratories, analysis and test equipment, HYC maintains a comprehensive quality management system and information management system, such as ERP, MES, PLM, CRM systems. With intelligent manufacturing as the core, from R&D to sales, from planning to production, from quality to cost, we make production smarter to realize flexible production, agile delivery, and fast response services. Our main products are fiber optic connectivity, WDM, MEMS optical switches, PLC splitters, optical circuits, optical subassemblies. You will find that our achievements are spreading to FTTH, 4G, 5G mobile communication, data center, enterprise network, aeronautical communication, and other fields. Regarding Qingyuan as headquarters, together with marketing and R&D center in Shenzhen and R&D center in Wuhan, we have built a competitive independent research, production and sales system, and have been highly recognized by customers in over 100 countries in Asia, Europe, America, Middle East, and other regional markets. HYC always takes credibility as the foundation and is committed to providing customers with outstanding, standards-compliant products, and has obtained more than 100 awards at home and abroad. HYC's mission is to serve global data communication users with innovative technology, exceptional products, and high-quality services, and strive to become a global leader of intelligent manufacturers in fiber optic communication. Let's empower optical connectivity and create an intelligent future together.